Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the TrueLearn SmartBanks education app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. TrueLearn SmartBanks is an education-focused test prep platform designed to help students and professionals prepare for high-stakes exams. It offers subject-specific question banks, detailed explanations, performance analytics, and study tools built to improve recall and test-taking confidence. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports exams in medical fields, nursing, residency prep, and other professional certifications. The app's main feature is its SmartBank question system, practice questions paired with evidence-based rationale, peer comparison stats, and personalized performance tracking. Users can create custom quizzes, review missed questions, and track weak areas to guide targeted studying. Timed modes and exam-style formats help users simulate the real test environment. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its high-quality question explanations, accurate exam alignment, and analytics which help them understand exactly where they stand. The app is praised for boosting confidence before big exams and offering a structured way to study over time. However, there are some drawbacks. Access to full question banks requires a subscription, which some users find expensive. A few also report that certain question sets feel repetitive or that explanations can be lengthy. Additionally, it relies on an internet connection for syncing and analytics. In summary, the TrueLearn SmartBanks app may be worth using if you want a structured, analytics-driven study tool that mirrors real exam formats and helps track your progress over time. However, if you prefer free study resources or are not preparing for a specialized exam, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.